Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Hot Wheels Showcase Double A Shadows. Dear friends, I am back with my Hot Wheels Showcase, and today we are reviewing a cool pack of 5 friends HW Snowstormers. Pretty awesome friends. Back side of the pack, the other side, the below side friends. This is a factory sealed pack with some cool vehicles. The nice image friends. Here are vehicle details friends, you can check. The number 1 is a Snowstormer and the number 2 is the Team Hot Wheels Corkscrew buggy. The number 3 is the Ford Escort. Number 4 is the Sandblaster, and the last one is the Jeep Scrambler. Cool logos and the license info friends from the US case. Dear friends, our pack is ready for unboxing and a cool review of the showtime. Dear friends, here is our first vehicle, the quad bike Snowstormer. Pretty awesome friends. The white base and white wheels. The body top is dark green and black with some cool logos, you can check. The hexagon logo is pretty awesome friends. Here is the topper view and the below side friends. You can check the grey base is full of some readable info. Made in Thailand friends. The wide 5-spoke wheels are pretty awesome friends with a nice lining job on the rims. Such a lovely vehicle friends. The quad bike from the Snowstormers. Dear friends, here is our vehicle number 2, the Team Hot Wheels Corkscrew buggy. Pretty awesome friends with the cool wheels. Nice combination of the colors. The blue wheels, orange base and the white body top. The logos are pretty awesome friends on the both sides, you can check. This baby is a 621. Nice finishing on the front side. This pretty baby is only for the driver friends. Here is the topper view. And the below side friends, the orange base with some cool readable info. Such a nice buggy friends. Dear friends, here is our third vehicle, the Ford Escort with the white wheels. Pretty awesome friends. The matte blue color, yellow windows, cool wing. Front and rear details are a bit weak friends, but the interior is pretty awesome and the logos are looking cool on the both sides. Here is a topper view. Nice finishing of the hood, roof and the trunk. Here is the below side friends. The white base is looking cool with the white wheels. Snowstormers logo is pretty awesome and some other cool logos on the doors. Such a nice car friends. Guys, here is our vehicle number 4, the Sandblaster, a pretty monster friends, you can check. the grey color and some cool logos, blue base and the white wheels, pretty awesome friends. The light blue windows, nice finishing on the rear side. The front safeguard is pretty awesome friends. Blue lights on the top are looking cool. The black interior is also full of details. Here is the topper view friends. You can check the nice finishing of the hood roof and the cargo space. Here is the below side friends. The blue base with some cool readable info. Really nice track friends. The Sand Blaster from the HW Snowstormers. Dear friends, now the last one, our Jeep Scrambler, pretty awesome friends, lovely Jeep with some cool finishings. The color and the wheel selection, everything is pretty great. The interior is black with full of details, with the clear windows. You can check guys, the Jeep logo on the rear side. Front side details are pretty awesome friends. Cool logos on the both sides. This baby is the number 88 friends. Really nice. Here is the topper view friends. The finishing of the cargo space, roof and hood, everything is pretty cool. Here is the below side friends. The blue base with some cool readable info. Dear friends, thank you for watching. Please comment below which one is your favorite from these 5. I hope you will like these pretty babies. Have a great day friends. Love you all. Bye.